Okay, so we've got question 17. This is a right angle triangle and we're working out the length of this inside. So we're going to need to use the Pythagorean formula of a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And I'll start by labelling the sides. So C being the hypotenuse along the side, and then A and B, it doesn't matter which one we use. We're going to have to rearrange the formula in order to work out the length of the shorter side. So we're going to need C squared, subtract A squared equals B squared, substitute those values in. So 18.6 squared, subtract 7.2 squared equals B squared. So type the numbers onto a calculator. Then C squared is equal to 294.12, square root that, and that will give us 17.1499 and so on. We need to give our answers three significant figures, so we need to see three numbers in our answer, so 17.1. Coming on to question 18 there. So Chris has two children, Beth and Amy. Beth is 10 years older than Amy, so I'm going to call Amy X. I'm going to call Beth X at 10. And then Chris is twice as old as the son of Beth and Amy's age. So X add 10 gives us the sum of both their ages, so 2x at 10. And multiply that by 2, give us Chris's age. Expand your bracket and make that equal to 40, as that is the age of Chris. And then solve for x. So x is equal to 5, and that is the age of Amy, so Amy is 5. Okay, and then coming on to question 19. The shop sells tins of beans in 3 different sizes, and Kathy wants to buy exactly 750 beans. So working out the cheapest cost, we're going to have to write down all the different ways in which we can make 750 grams of beans. So option 1 would be 5 lots of A, which is 35 pence multiplied by the 5 lots, and that gives us 175 pence, or £1.75. So option 2 would be to get 3 lots of B and 1 lot of A, which would cost us 3 multiplied by 45 pence, and then add on the 35 pence that is tin A, so that would be £1.70. Option 3, 2 lots of C plus 1 lot of A, adding those together gives us 750 grams of beans, so that would be 2 multiplied by 80 pence, adding on the 35p that is A, so that would be £1.95 or 195 pence. And then the fourth option, we could have 3 lots of A, adding on 1 lot of C, 3 multiplied by 35 pence, and then add on the 80p for tin number 3, and that would be 185 pence. Therefore, the cheapest option would be option 2, and that would be to get 3 lots of B and 1 lot of A. And this would cost £1.70 or 175